What is up, guys? Welcome back or to the channel if you're new here. I know it's been a while. It's been about a month. Had some stuff come up, I guess you could say health issues. I hurt my back, and then actually I'm getting over pneumonia right now. So I haven't made a video in about 5 weeks, but I think we're ready to get back into it. Today, I'm my friend Mike here. We're getting ready to put a whole bunch of parts on his Cherokee. And also in this video, I'm going to finally do the front axle seal of my Jeep that's I've been putting off for way too long. So that's the plan for today. I got a wheeling trip in 2 weeks we're doing. Jeep show next weekend we're doing. So hopefully get right back into making some videos for you guys. So I'll walk you around this thing, show you what it's like right now. All the parts that we have here to put on this thing. It's going to look totally different by the time we're done with it. So here's what it looks like right now. It's pretty sweet. I actually love the color of this thing. Little lift, some 35s. This 35s? 33s. 33s. The front and rear bumpers, roof rack to go on it. Take you over here to the pile we got. I haven't worked out here in a while. Garage is a mess, but got a switch panel, winch, some ditch lights. Yeah, got our work cut out for us. And get all this stuff thrown on, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. What is up, guys? Next day here. We got all the pieces put on this Cherokee, so I'll show you here. Front bumper, rear bumper done, roof rack, ditch lights, and everything's wired up. Mike's actually finishing up the reverse lights right now, but yeah, I'll flip around and show you how this thing turned out. It made a big difference in this thing, which I figured it would. Usually that many modifications change something for the better. So yeah, check it out. Yeah, we get that wrapped up, and that's it for this thing. I'm going to be pulling my Jeep in to do the axle seal. We're actually going to a Jeep show, one that I help with this weekend, so me and him will both be there. But yeah, so after I go to the staff meeting, I'll be back. We're going to rip into mine and start doing the axle seals. All right, guys, he's out of here. So I'm going to get myself cleaned up. I'm going to go to the staff meeting for this Jeep event, like I said about, that I help with. And yeah, as soon as I get back, we're going to start tearing into mine, get the axle seals done finally that I've been putting off for, I shouldn't say putting off. I've been busy. We had trips and I got sick. But anyway, we're going to get that taken care of. Hopefully no more leaks. So I will catch back up with you guys whenever I get back, and we'll start turning some more wrenches. We're ready to get back into it. It's time to finally do the axle seals on this thing. Ever since I finished up this ton swap, the front axle seal has been leaking, and I've just been topping it off before I go on trips and stuff, but it's time to finally address that. So I'm going to get that addressed today. I got some, I think maybe TJ, if you've seen on the channel before, I think he's coming over to help, but you might see him in the video. I'm going to get this thing tore down, stripped, get the carrier out, and ready to put new seals in. Okay, so we got the whole thing tore apart. I'll show you the old one here. It doesn't look that bad, besides obviously the dingers we put in it getting it out, but I'll show you what we got. The new ones are a different style. They're by Spicer, so we're hoping for the best. This is the old one, and obviously this stuff here is some us pushing it out, but the inside doesn't, I can't see anything that makes me think that it's ruined. But I mean, clearly it leaks, so obviously that dinger's from us. And here's the new style. A little different. It's still a two-piece. The inside still spins separate from the outside, but we're getting pushed in and see what happens, I guess. Okay, excuse me, I'm a mess, a little sweaty, but it's back together. I shouldn't say back together, but the cover's on, axle shafts are in, hub assemblies are on, and I just filled it with fluid, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we don't see any leaks. I'm gonna keep messing around a little bit tonight, but I'm about whooped for today. It's 11 o'clock or so. TJ just left. Huge shout out to him for helping me on this thing. And yeah, hopefully this thing doesn't leak. I'll probably be a little heartbroken if it does, but I'll flip the camera around and show you where it's sitting right now. There it is, back together. Just topped it off. And now we just watch and hope. I gotta watch both sides actually, because I was on the fence about doing the long side, because when I built this axle, did the axle seals, I didn't do the long side because I messed up the first seal I was putting in on the short side, and so I didn't have another one. So I was like, screw it, it's got to stay, right? So I left it in there. It never leaked a drop, and still has never leaked a drop. So I tore this back apart, and I was like, man, I don't know if I should replace that one. It never leaked, but I also had the feeling that if I don't, my luck, I'll get the short side leak fixed that's been leaking, and then that side will start since I never replaced it. So I replaced them both with Spicer 209118s. Hopefully no more leaks. I don't have to get in this thing anymore. All right, guys, next morning here, just getting it all finished up. So I actually got the wife torquing some wheels right now, but yeah, everything's in. No drips overnight, at least. I mean, I know I need to put it in forward drive and drive it so that the shaft rotates, but just sitting, it didn't leak, so we're already better than it was. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But she's gonna get these finished torqued up, and then we're gonna go for a test drive. And you wanna say hi? Somebody's a little shy this morning. But yeah, I'll flip the camera around and show you this thing, and then we're gonna go on a maiden voyage. So here it is all together. You can see, like I said last night, I did both seals. Side's nice and dry. And this, I got the tires turned because I forgot to zip tie the ABS lines up, but so far so good. No leaks, so hopefully it stays that way. All right, guys, everything feels great with this thing. So actually having it in four-wheel drive right now. I'm cruising about 35, and everything went back together good, so I wasn't expecting any issues, but it's driving good, four-wheel drive, no noises or anything. So now we just gotta wait and see if any leaks start, and let's hope that they don't, because I do not want to do this again. I think at this point I'll probably just carry a jug with me and never mess with it again, unless it obviously gets too bad. But yeah, I'm gonna get back home, and I'll catch up with you there. All right, guys, next day here. Got late last night until I got home. It was dark and everything, so that's gonna be a wrap on this video. Hopefully the steel stays with no leaks. That's the plan. I drove it around probably, I don't know, 20-30 miles yesterday. No leaks so far, so hopefully we're in the clear. But I know it's been a while since I posted. Like I said, I had some stuff going on, so hopefully I can get back in the routine of posting. And I'm going to be going wheeling this weekend to Doe Valley, which is the park you've seen on my channel if you've been here for a while. It's it's local to me. It's only about 15 minutes away. It's not open to the public anymore, but they still host an event once a year. It's for cystic fibrosis. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.